In this epic review, I'm going to be showing you a course and software that's going to allow you to leverage other people's knowledge and their hard work so that you can make money from it in your own business. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Epic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Just really quick here, I want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of great bonuses for you, including past softwares and courses. All of these are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, create your first profitable video course by lunchtime tomorrow using other people's time, traffic, and expertise, even if you're not an expert or haven't made a sale online. Now, what this is essentially, this is for people who don't want to be on camera. They don't necessarily know what they want to sell. For people that kind of are stuck, they know that they need to be creating a course. That's kind of the way I started out online doing. I did affiliate marketing, then I launched my first course, and it was an information product. It wasn't some crazy software. It was an information product. I ended up doing $50,000 in sales on my first product launch. And the reason is information products sell really well. I'm going to show you something right over here. If you go to some place like Udemy, you've probably heard of Udemy. If you just search for something, you think you have to like make a course about like making money online or something. You have to be some expert. No, look, if you search for Gmail, which is like Gmail Complete Course 2020 version. And if we go over here and we look at this course right here has 622 ratings on it. Over 6,000 students have signed up for a course about Gmail. Like, would you really think that you need to do a course about Gmail? Look, this one right here, Master Excel Power Query Begin. I don't even know what that is, but it's a little bit more intense here. 13,000 students for that one. If you look at other ones here, I mean, Google Sheets, the comprehensive masterclass. If you've ever used Google Sheets before, this person just kind of goes through and explains what Google Sheets is. Probably people need to use it for their work, and they need a crash course on how to use these different softwares. I mean, you could essentially create a course about that, or you could take another course, you could take a PLR course and redo it and make your own course about that. I mean, these ones are crazy. Like the Ultimate Gmail Productivity System, 480 reviews on this one right here, just a productivity system. 15,000 students have signed up for this. That's crazy. It's just a Gmail productivity system. I mean, that's insane. And this is just one example of different things that you can create that people will buy. You don't need to make some kind of like how to make money online type course here. And what this does is this program teaches you how to do this. It also has a software that will help you create these videos. And we'll show you that in this review on how to do that as well, so that you don't have to like worry about how you're going to create it. Done for you course content. They have everything done for you for your course content as well. You can build your top selling course in less than a day. So that you'll have something that you can sell. Now look, these are here. This is money that they're making here. I know that Mosh makes a ton of money. He got started doing information products as well. He's done over 100,000 sales of his products. Now with this, you find gap topics ripe for filling. So you find stuff that needs to be created. You collect borrowed info on your topic, repurpose the content into your own video course, and then you can get affiliates that will send you hungry buyer traffic to your course. And this teaches you exactly how to do that. And of course, it gives you the software to do it as well. You can, like it says, you can list on places like Warrior Plus, JVZoo. You can put your things on places like Udemy, which has a ton of potential buyers. I've actually made money on Udemy as well. So I know that it actually works. And I know people that have made thousands on that platform as well there. So this is the front end offer. It gives you all that. It gives you the borrowed expertise framework. So the 4-step how to actually borrow that expertise, hidden sources of copyright free info, so you don't get in trouble. You don't want to steal anything. find the most profitable course topics, done for you course content, done for you course templates, epic video course creation software. I'm going to show you that all included in this, and it's going to be really ridiculously cheap. Depending upon when you get here, the price is going to be really low for this, for what this is, especially considering the fact that it is both a software and a course all in one, which is something I really like. Really like what Masha's done here with this. So I'm a little bit biased here because I do like this. So let's go over and take a look at the actual software you're going to be getting here together. Okay, so we're logged into the software here. I'm going to show you the software first. It's really easy to set up here. You just click on Create New and do your video. So I'm going to do Mic Review. And I'm going to click on Create. This is all cloud-based for you. Now, what you can do here is using their training, you can create your content with this, and it's slide-based content. So like for your first slide here, you can upload images, you can use external links to add in images. They've got Pixabay and stuff. I'm just going to use one of their images they have here, so I'm going to just add that in. I can add that in there. I can put that like that. I can create a little, like, I can add text in here for that. Whoops, that was me. Let's see here. So I can say like, this is a perfect system, and I can make it look how I want it to look, add that text in there, and this could be my first slide. Now, what's cool about this, you could also add in videos. If you have like demo videos from somewhere else you want to add in and use other content as well, you can trim your slide. You can add in audio. Now, this is really cool. This is where you can record your own voice. So what you do here is, let's say you want to record your content. You don't have to be on your face on camera or anything, but I mean, if you can talk, I mean, most of us are not too afraid of talking. You could always outsource it if you wanted to, but what you do is you hit the record button, and I can't do it right now because I'm recording this video. But what you do is you record your audio, and let's say it's 15 seconds or a minute or 5 minutes. The length of the time that you talk, what will happen is it will adjust the slide length to how long you're talking for. So it's really cool. Like, it will then, when you're done talking, it will change to the next slide. So you record your audio, talk about this first part here. When you're finished, it adds it in. And then what you do is, okay, you're done with that slide, click the next one. And well, first of all, I need to save my changes, sorry. Save. I'll have my audio and everything all done there. And then I click my next slide. And then I can start doing my next slide as well. So I can add in any images that I want, any text that I want, and then I can talk over that. So you can create your course content. Let's say you want to create a 5-minute video. You just create it in your little slides here. And then when you're ready with your slides, you hit render, and it will create that little video for you that you can use for your course content, whether you want to put it on, sell it on JBZoo or Warrior Plus, or if you want to sell it on Udemy. You can easily create that course content using this. And what I like about that right there is that it kind of chunks it out into slides, which makes it a lot less nerve-wracking in the fact, like, oh, I need to create this big long video. You just need to worry about creating each individual slide and then paste them together. So really well done there. You can do background music if you want. I wouldn't really worry about doing background music, but yeah, you can create that video using this, and it's just really simple to do. So that's the software, and the training is going to teach you. I mean, there's all the different training modules here. Course creation, research, how to shortcut your research, done for you course content. They've got done for you research, done for you content, done for you templates, borrowed expertise, unique content for free. They've got a voiceover software here. The Speechello, that's a software that you can purchase if you want to. That's an affiliate link, I'm sure, for that. If you don't want to. It says it will transform any text into a human sounding voice. So if you don't want to talk, you could use a software like that to do that. Free affiliate traffic they talk about, and how to do all that there. So that's the training there, done by a guy who's made a lot of money online. So that's the offer there, and that's the software and the training. Of course, they're going to have OTOs and upgrades that are completely optional. Let's take a look at them. So this is the first OTO. It says unlock 500 plus unique and pro templates, create unlimited courses. So apparently there's a limit on how many courses you can create on the front end. I'm not quite sure how limited that is there, and how they would limit how many courses you can create. So I don't know how they would limit that for you there, but apparently there is. You can also charge any amount and keep 100% of the profits. So you can build courses for other people, unlimited commercial license. So you can use the software and you can sell it and sell the videos that you make for other people. So you could go out there, instead of making just courses for yourself, you could approach other people with content and say, hey, I'll make a course for you. and you could sell them that content. Even if it's like a local business that wants to create a course on, let's say it's a pizza store, pizza shop, and they want to create some nice content for their audiences on how to maybe do, I don't know, create pizza dough, like or how to, like the bakery down the corner here, like how to create the perfect bread loaf. And sometimes they will create this kind of content because it creates goodwill with customers. People want to see how everything works, and then they'll buy more stuff from the company. It's just kind of how that works. So again, create unlimited storage to create your courses, create unlimited courses, create course modules, sell to unlimited customers, unlimited niches, get a huge collection of stock videos, commercial license, done for your agency website, all included in that OTO there. Now, what I wanted to show you here, for some of the OTOs, if you come here and you move your mouse away, for some of them, you get a discount. So this one right here gives you a $10 discount and brings it down to 57. So just make sure that you move your mouse away when you're going and looking at these ones. So the next one here is, you are one step away from your own cloud-hosted course selling site. Preload 20 profitable courses, get paid by course creators, etc. So this is actually a software called Academy Zpresso that will allow you to actually create these courses and host them inside of this software. So this is pretty cool. You can have your own place to host your different courses that you've created. A pretty logical upgrade. I don't know if this one has a discount on it. Oh, here we go, $2 discount. So you can get it for 25 instead of 27. So that's the next one there. OTO number 3, unique push button cloud app generates high quality content for your courses. You get full funnel access and full funnel rights. So this is apparently going to create content for you. Just another upgrade. It's an optional one. If you move your mouse away, I don't know if this one has a discount on it, but you can try when you get to this page. Next one is, it says, struggling to make real profits online. Oh, this is to join the Gold Miners Club. So this looks like a club here. Probably how you're going to get, I think you might get extra software from him, etc. with this. So that's that up one. If you move your mouse away, is there a discount? I don't think so for this one, but you can try when you get to the page. And the last one, there is a discount, $20 down to 77 for the reseller license. You can sell this and keep 100% of the profits. You've seen these reseller licenses before. If you want to sell this and be able to keep the money. So that's the funnel. Okay, so what do I like about Epic and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, I don't know. Creating courses does take a little bit of work. I mean, that's not necessarily that I don't like about it, but you will need to put in work to make money online. You think all these push button things that come out all the time, people make money from them? In general, it takes work to make any kind of money. The reason I am where I am today is because I put in work. I've created courses, I've created content. It's something that you need to do. However, when you're creating the content, getting a way of doing it a little easier and maybe taking away that writer's block is something that this could help you do. What do I like about it? I think it's a really good idea. I'm glad that Mosh has created this. He's created a way of not only teaching you how to do this, but also giving you a software to help you create those courses as well. Just go through the content, apply it, upload. Like, you don't need to have you don't need to reinvent the wheel with your course material. Start creating courses. You're going to get addicted to it. You can use that content in the future for bonuses, for affiliate marketing. I mean, it just opens up so many doors for you in what you can do in your business. If this is the way that gets you into starting your own content creation, your own course creation business, then that would be really awesome. Thank you so much for checking out my Epic review today. If you want to check it out, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video, as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.